to find delete account settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find delete account settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here just click this three lines in the top corner and then click settings. Here you will find accounts, click on it and then click delete account. And here we can delete it, just verify and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.